Good morning. I am Devasena. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about genetics. In detail, we are going to discuss about chromosomes, DNA. Genetics. Cell nuclei contain genetic information. Here is a representation of the cell. This genetic information controls cells and also many of the characteristics of whole organisms. Heredity. Heredity is the passing on of genetic information from parents to offspring. Heredity explains why offspring resemble but are not identical to their parents and is a unifying biological principle. Heredity refers to the genetic heritage passed down by our biological parents. It's why we look like them. More specifically, it is the transmission of traits from one generation to the next. These traits can be physical, such as eye color, blood type, or a disease, or behavior. Inherited traits are controlled by genes, and the complete set of genes within an organism's genome is called its genotype. Chromosomes. Human nuclei contain 46 chromosomes made of a molecule called DNA. Genetic information is stored in genes. In human reproduction, offspring receives 23 chromosomes from each parent. Chromosomes are structures found in the center of cells that carry long pieces of DNA. DNA is a material that holds genes. It is the building block of the human body. Chromosomes also contain proteins that help DNA exist in the proper form. In humans, each cell normally contains 23 pairs of chromosomes, form total of 46. 22 of these pairs, called autosomes, look like same in both males and females. The 23rd pair, that is the sex chromosomes, differ between males and females. Here is a representation of chromosome X and Y. One of each pair of chromosomes comes from your mother and one comes from your father. The mother has XX chromosomes and the father has XY chromosome. If the child has X chromosome from the mother and Y chromosome from the father, means the child born as boy, that is XY. If the child has X chromosome from mother and X chromosome from father, means then the child born as girl. DNA, that is deoxyribonucleic acid. The DNA molecule is a double helix. In this diagram, it is represented. James Watson and Francis Crick worked out its shape in the early 1950s. They built a model of DNA using data from other scientists, including X-ray pictures taken by Rosalind Franklin and Winks, which showed patterns only produced by spiral molecules. A DNA molecule consists of two strands wound around each other, with each strand held together by bonds between bases. Adenine pairs with thymine and cytosine pairs with guanine. These are represented in this diagram. The sequence of bases in a protein of a DNA molecule called a gene carries the instructions needed to assemble a protein. Genes influence each individual's behavior and psychological characteristics, including intellectual ability, personality, and risk for mental illness, all of which have bearing on both parents and children within a family. Thank you very much for listening this lecture. If you like this lecture means kindly share this video to your friends. For further updates, kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you.